Here, Rn-2.5 is used for a negative chamfer, ensuring smooth transitions. The Rn address simplifies programming fillets and chamfers in turned profiles, allowing for faster and more precise machining, especially on tapered geometries. Fillet with positive Rn. In this case, Rn5 is applied to create a smooth, rounded contour. For tapered profiles, the inclination angle can be defined directly using AS. In this example, the angle is 150 degrees, always referenced to the z-axis position. This eliminates the need for trigonometric calculations while ensuring precise taper definition. Another taper, this time with AS145. Rn-2 creates a double chamfer with 45 degrees on both sides. Fillet with radius R2 for a smooth transition. G40 cancels cutter radius compensation, and with G0 or G14, the tool returns to its starting position.